We drove, but it's supposed to be at 6. It's not 6 yet.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Oh.
Just look at her. She said, oh. Just pulled up to Chick-fil-A. Go see if they open. They tripping. Chick-fil-A tripping on New Year's, yo. I'm trying to get some some Chick-fil-A and it look like they're closed. They got us?
Yep, they got us.
Oh, it says 6. They closed in there, man. They got me. 5-6 minutes. And you know, Chick-fil-A always stay open to the damn closing time. To the closing time or later, but today they got us, man. There you go. Go get in there. Why y'all close so early? We drove, but it's supposed to be at 6. It's not 6 yet.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Oh.
Just look at her. She said, oh. Man. Alright, y'all. So it look like you want 5 guys? That shit expensive though. Five guys in there. I think we getting 5 guys. We getting 5 guys?
Yeah.
He said, yeah. You wanna wait? You eat something by your house? What's over there?
I want to punch somebody.
Huh?
I said I want to punch somebody.
Hey, they never close like that. I wasn't expecting that. It's the first ever that they've ever closed before the time they supposed to close. And I've been going to Chick-fil-A for years, so I wasn't expecting that at all. My bad, bro. Guess you could just stay one more night and we just get it tomorrow. Oh shit. We get that shit tomorrow, yeah. That's fucking hilarious. How you feeling?
Disappointed.
Why you mad?
I'm not mad, I'm upset.
Why you upset?
Because
what?
I wanted to get that food.
Cause he don't got God. You said what? I'm broke, man. I'm in here about to waste money on this. You too, man. He was talking about making a donation. I'm like, man, I was expecting to spend some money on freaking What happened?
This nigga. What happened was he took too long. I'll blame you.
Why you look like that?
What?
Why you look like that?
I don't know what you mean.
Your eyes.
Mm-hmm.
Why you look like that?
Because they look like that. I don't know.
Oh shit.
Mayonnaise. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. Like a fried chicken. No. Shut up. No, that's it. They got good. Yeah. So we got the 5 guys. I got the 5 guys real quick for the one time. You trying to mukbang this joint real quick? The burger. You about to eat now? Yeah. So we gonna mukbang these burgers real quick. Talk about life. Hit him with the life banger. The piece of distress of all breakups. Yeah. Look at him trying to go in. It's closed, baby. They over there mad as hell trying to get in that Chick-fil-A. Like they ain't see the Chick-fil-A was closed. Mr. Joy Road over here, a little upset because some guy told him that the place closed at 7. Turns out it closed at 6, so we got here and it was closed. Look at this burger, yo. Oh my God. Yo, have y'all ever ate at Five Guys before? Look at this. Look at this. I'm not gonna lie, that shit look nice. That look nice. Look at that. They put 2 patties?
Yeah.
It always come with 2 patties?
Yeah.
They don't sell 1 patty per.
Yeah, they do. They sell. They
I
call
said-
it little cheeseburger.
That's cheaper?
Mm-hmm.
Because the cheapest one that I saw on the thing was like $8 and something. This junk look nice. Where's the water? You want a water bottle?
Yeah.
I'm running low though.
Please. Ooh. Yeah.
Make sure y'all saw that again. I don't know if that should focus in or not, but that shit, it look good, yo.
Oh.
They be having them all laid out nice on the table when they be making them.
Mm-hmm.
You know, I've never really seen a ghetto Five Guys. Like, even if you go to like some hood type areas or like, usually Five Guys always, they keep the level up. They keep that shit up. What you think?
I don't know. There's some out there.
You know, like Popeyes, that shit get fucked up. And niggas just fuck that shit up in the hood. But like, I don't know, I never seen that happen with the Five Guys. But Five Guys, they be on their shit. They be on their shit. Look,
Another
more
disappointed family. We should be recording them.
people.
They're about to go through what I went through just moments
Bro.
ago.
He didn't put the mayonnaise and shit.
Soaked up in the
Bro,
lettuce.
it's like barely on there, bro. Hell no. Let's see what I got. Bro, so we parked outside of Chick-fil-A. We parked outside of Chick-fil-A because the Five Guys over here, right? And it's New Year's Day, so Chick-fil-A closed at 6 today. But they actually closed at 5:50 or something like that. They cheating the system. But so people up here pulling up. We just watching people walk up to the Chick-fil-A door. And they not getting no food. But so it looked like a lot of people end up doing what we did. And when in doubt, when Chick-fil-A's out, you go to the damn Five Guys across the street. Yep. That tastes so much better. All right, so what we gonna talk about, bro? Let's give them something to talk about. How you feel about hosting Fire Freestyle?
It was fun. Something to get used to.
What was the weirdest part? What parts didn't you like? You thought
Holding
was
that
weird?
fucking phone.
The phone?
Yes. I hated holding that phone.
Fuck that phone, huh?
Fuck that shit. I could have got more hype without the phone.
So y'all ain't know, Mr. Joe Rogan been on YouTube for some years, but he it's been a minute since he been on, so he trying to get back into it. So
Yeah.
that's 2020. It's 2020 now, boy. So we gonna see what's gonna happen this new year. We hit up Fire Freestyle last night in Chinatown. It was lit. Stay tuned for that episode. If you actually watch the content, it's actually already out now in the playlist, but that's just a little, what do they call it? Like a secret egg. Mystery egg or some shit like that. What they call that shit in the gaming world? Secret egg, mystery egg, whatever. So, if you're a true fan, Go through that. Go hit that playlist. You see episodes before they come out. Just a little tip. But if not, wait till it come out. Dropping videos every Wednesday.
I eat too fast.
Man. Tell me what, I forgot what I was gonna say. This burger good, yo. Dude walked up to me in the Five Guys. He's like, excuse me, you do YouTube? So I told him about the FreeStyle, blah, blah, blah. He asked me how many subscribers I had. I told him I had over 3,000. Which I gotta remember, it's not about the subscribers, it's about the views. Views and watch time. That's what's most important on YouTube. You can have 1,000 subscribers, but if you got millions of views, that's how you get the check. That's how you get that money. That's what's most important. Damn, man, you ate all your food up.
It was just a burger, man. I ate like 3 more of those.
You want some ketchup packets?
No.
I used to eat these bitches when I was little.
He needs some milk.
Just tear the tip off and just be eating this shit like a snack. Ketchup packets. Isn't that something? Ketchup packets, boy.
I can't believe this Chick-fil-A, bro.
It's like 1 million people pulling up in here, getting disappointed. They must not have checked the time like you did. They probably thought it was going to be open to regular
It's
time.
like, oh, this is fake. They're going to be open past 6. Look, y'all, I should be flicking all y'all off. Mother.
I don't get what's the purpose of getting off early today. If anything, you would think they would start later and get off later.
Oh,
you know what I mean?
guys.
Since it's New Year's Day, not New Year's Eve. Like New Year's Eve, it makes sense to get off early. But New Year's Day, you think they would start later. Turning up last night. I don't know. Hey, comment below. I want to know what y'all did for a New Year's resolution or New Year's night. Would y'all party, turn up? Leave a comment and let me know what y'all did. And smash that like button, man.
You didn't just see all them walk out?
I know, right? Smash that like button, y'all, have more content.
You tripping. You hella tripping, bro. You really...
That's 2019. 2020 for you, bro. People out here brainwashed, living off computers and shit, just wandering around. I just saw 80 people get rejected from Chick-fil-A, but let me walk up to the window and see if I can get in.
And just seeing the whole staff walk out. That's what the fuck. Well, the managers. So it was really gone.
I'm tired. Or you yelled at him. Like, bruh, really? Bruh, you ain't see all them people come out? He like, bro, I work here, bro. What are you talking about? I work here. Hell, y'all can let me in.
Oh, if I just came up behind, I was like, I'm about to get all my chicken now, nigga.
Got the toolie on him and shit.
Y'all fucked up. Well, you see how he looked back when he pulled the door? That was my chance.
Making sure nobody.
Lucky. Lucky I'm in a good mood. Because it would have went down.
What are you doing here?
I would have turned this hoodie backwards. Cut holes through it.
An eyeball?
Yeah.
You be looking like a fool. Look at this bandit. The flip, what do you call that shit? The backward hoodie bandit.
Yeah.
The backward hoodie. That's what I'm saying. I saw the cones when we was hitting the corner. I saw the clothes. I was like, I know they ain't got the drive-thru clothes. Like, tripping. Man, this shit tastes fresh as fuck. I ain't even gonna fake.
Yeah, I really want another one.
It's a pretty fresh burger. But is it better than the chicken sandwich from Popeyes, though?
I don't know.
I don't know. That Popeye sandwich on point, especially when it's cooked fresh.
I still never had it when I worked there.
Should be ashamed of yourself.
Fuck Popeyes.
I don't care for Popeyes, but the sandwich, I respect the sandwich. But their regular food be way too greasy and unhealthy.
Everything there is fake. Everything. Except for some chicken.
Yeah, but how's it fake? It's like got the bones in it? What you mean it's fake?
Like all the sides are fake.
Like the mashed potatoes.
Mashed potatoes is powder and water. Mac and cheese is frozen. You just unthaw it out of the bag and mix it up in the pot and then put it.
So
in
they
the
ship it.
container.
They ship it to the Popeyes frozen.
And then green beans is like in some package. And
Hey, y'all gotta make sure I get that Old Spice, yo.
gotta mix it with some gravy. That shit nasty.
Old Spice. Trash. Always keep a trash bag in your car. For on the road, on the go situations.
Yes. Another one.
And another one.
Should we recording these idiots, Kel?
A mad dude next to me, he waited, so now he not gonna go in. He probably checking his phone now. Let me check my phone. Let me check my phone.
Why did you look up, sir? Why did that lady at the walk up at the same time?
No, he messed it up for us.
Yeah, they're probably like,
Look on that. Ooh, they in there eating too. Look at them. They right there eating.
what if I knocked on the door like, where my chicken at? Did the dance like, where my chicken at? Where my chicken? Where my chicken at? I need my chicken, nigga. Hey, where my chicken at? Hey, where my chicken at? Hey, I need that chicken.
Hey.
They holding me on my chicken.
Hey. That is chicken.
My chicken tenders.
Hey, it's chicken.
Chick-fil-A sauce. I'm gonna eat it up and then give it a toss.
Give it a toss. Hey. Chick-fil-A closed. Hey. They fucking my day. Hey.